Hello.
What is wrong with your face?
We don't have much time, let's do this.
Did you wash your face?
Whatever, it's fine.
Foundation.
Okay, now powder. Close your eyes, a little bit of glitter. Mascara. Oops. Oh no, let's fix that. Okay.
Have you ever felt a tingling sensation on your scalp while watching a video of someone whispering or tapping on objects? If so, you might have experienced ASMR. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a phenomenon that has taken the internet by storm, with millions of people tuning in to watch ASMR videos to relax and unwind. But what exactly is ASMR? How does it work, and is it beneficial? Let's dive in. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It's a term used to describe a tingling, static-like or goosebump sensation that some people experience in response to certain stimuli. These stimuli can be auditory, visual or tactile, and can include sounds like whispering, eating popcorn, or tapping on a keyboard, or close contact with another person. Common ASMR triggers include whispering, tapping, brushing, and other gentle repetitive sounds. However, people have different triggers. Some get tingles from simple tapping sounds, while others from more unconventional triggers like speed painting. Yes, speed painting. It might sound unusual and some of you might be grossed out by it, but many people find it incredibly soothing and satisfying. I don't know why I don't find it. Or do I? I had this sensation even in real life when people do things like making my hair, massaging, or even teaching me something I already know. These experiences can trigger the same relaxing and tingling sensations associated with ASMR. The exact science behind ASMR is still being studied, but it's believed to be related to how our brains process certain sensory inputs. When you experience ASMR, your brain releases endorphins and oxytocin chemicals that promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. The sensations are said to spread across the skull or down the back of the neck, and sometimes to the rest of the body, including the spine or limbs. This response can be compared to the feeling of being soothed by a loved one or experiencing a gentle touch, which can lower stress levels and induce a state of calm. Is ASMR beneficial? Many people find ASMR videos helpful for relaxation, stress relief, and even falling asleep. Some studies suggest that ASMR can have positive effects on mental health by reducing anxiety and improving mood. People who experience ASMR may report pleasant feelings of relaxation, calm, sleepiness, or well-being. However, it's important to note that not everyone experiences ASMR, and the benefits can vary from person to person. For those who do experience it, ASMR can be a powerful tool for managing stress and promoting relaxation. Over time, some people might notice that their sensitivity to certain ASMR triggers decreases, similar to how desensitization works in other sensory experience. This means that while they might have initially experienced tingles from simple stimuli, they may eventually need stronger or more specific triggers to achieve the same effect. In this way, ASMR can be similar to other sensory experience where increased exposure leads to a need for more intense stimuli. You know exactly what I'm talking about. The term ASMR was coined in 2010 by Jennifer Allen, but the sensation itself has been experienced by people for much longer. before it was formally named. People referred to it as head tingles or brain tingles. The ASMR community began to grow on platforms like YouTube, where creators started making videos specifically designed to trigger ASMR in viewers. These videos quickly gained popularity, leading to the diverse and expensive ASMR content available today. Whether you're a long-time fan of ASMR or just curious about this fascinating phenomenon, it's clear that ASMR has made a significant impact on how many people relax and manage stress. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, why not give ASMR a try? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content on fascinating topic. If this is fascinating, I guess it is. Who knows? Maybe you knows. I'm not an audience, you are. Okay, bye.